Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you're watching Technoholic. In this video, we will talk about how we can change our theme in WordPress. We started this series from our last video where we have showcased how one can get started building their own website with ease without knowledge of any coding skill with WordPress. And then as we mentioned before, WordPress is a platform which is very popular as around 40 to 50% of all the websites are powered by WordPress. This kind of shows the popularity and capability of WordPress. So let's see today how we can change our theme. For that, let's jump into our computer screen and there we go. So here we can see I already have open browser. So since we have used Hostinger as a hosting platform, so I'm gonna type here hostinger.com. Okay, and now I'm gonna click on login and then I'm gonna use Google to sign in. Now here, after you sign in, you will be redirected to your Hostinger panel. Now if I go down here, I can see hosting. So I need to click on manage, and then from here you can go to admin panel. So just click on that. So this will redirect you to your WordPress panel without knowing or remembering your password. You can also directly access your WordPress website by typing the name of website. So in my case, it is ncertflix.com, and then I have typed here /wp admin. Now let me hit enter. And since I am already logged in, so probably I need to open it separately incognito. So let's open it here, and here we go. So one way is you can directly enter your ID and password. Another method is you can simply log into your Hostinger panel, and from there you need to click on this admin panel. Now after you are in your WordPress dashboard, what we're gonna do here is we're going to click here on appearance, and then in appearance you're gonna see these three options. So from here I'm gonna choose themes. And there we go. Here we can see we do have two themes installed, and this one is actually not the default theme. So I already have installed one theme, but let's say this theme I really didn't like it. What I can do in this case, I can click on add new theme. Now here you will see the WordPress itself contain a lot of themes, okay? And from here you can choose theme based on your requirement. Let's say I would like to create a magazine kind of website where I am posting a lot of tutorial. So I may search here magazine, okay? And there we go. So here we can find several themes available that you can utilize. So for example, you like this one, simply need to click on install. And in this way, guys, we will able to install any theme inside WordPress. Let's wait for a while. And now we need to click on activate. Now you will see we have actually activated this theme. So here we can see, I think this one is the child theme and main theme is this one. Now if I go here on the top on my domain, and if I click here on visit site, now here you will see the entire layout of this website now got changed. So this is one way of getting theme, but this may also happen that you didn't like the theme or collection that comes inside WordPress. So what you're gonna do in that case? Then in that case, you can get more themes that suits your personality or your need from a website, for example, ThemeForest. Or there is another platform known as Envato. So let me actually open ThemeForest first, and there we go. So here we can see they have a specific category of WordPress theme, and sometimes we may feel it very difficult, but believe me guys, it is not that difficult. You simply need to create your account here and then sign in, and then based on again your need. For example, we were talking about blog and magazine. So let's click here, and there we go. So here you will find some paid theme, I would say, and then they might have the free variant also available. So you need to do some research, and then the good thing about these themes is that they also have got their live preview available. For example, let's go with this one. Yeah, newspaper. So let's click here on live preview. And let's click here on demo. So here we can see we have got several demo available of same theme, which kind of shows the flexibility of theme that you're gonna buy, that not only you can utilize it as a magazine, but you can also utilize them as a blog, multi-purpose, or even shop. So here you need to, think of what exactly you would like to build. Okay, so here I have selected magazine, and even though I have selected magazine, we have got so many variants available. So we can actually have a look on all these demos and then can see which one meets my requirement most. So let me open few here, and then let's have a look. So this one look quite techy, I would say. So if somebody would like to create a tech magazine, then probably this blue color looks good. Then here it looks good if you would like to create something creative, for example related to content creation or graphics, then this looks quite great. It have got this market which also looks quite nice. So in this way guys, you can explore and can see how your masterpiece look like in the end. So now after selecting, let's say, any demo, what you can do here is let me go here back, and let's again click on buy now. So here what you're going to get is 6 months of support from the theme, and then quality check, and you can actually extend your support up to 12 months. And believe me guys, it is just like any theme we install in WordPress. It is that simple. The only thing I would like to have a look on if they are also offering us demo. Okay, so even before we buy any theme, there are certain things we need to have a look on. First of all, what are the things that this theme support? So this theme is good for e-commerce, shop, store, WooCommerce, newspaper, magazine. Let's say if you would like to sell the things, then it's good because this theme is also compatible with e-commerce. So there is a plugin in WordPress known as WooCommerce, which we will talk about next day, has a potential to convert your plain looking website to an e-commerce platform. Now if we go here down, we can see the compatible browser, and then we can also see here all different type of compatibility. It is compatible with Facebook, BBPress, which is kind of community, which is another plugin like WooCommerce, but is helpful in case of community building. And then it support WooCommerce, which is great. And then here you can also see when was the last update. So the last update was in August 2024, which is very recent guys, because today when I'm creating this video is 12th of September. And if you see here, it actually was published on 4th of September, which is just 8 days before, which kind of shows that this theme is quite recent guys, which is really good thing. Now if I go down here, we can also see all other capability this theme comes with. And then good thing is that it also offers 150 plus one-click unique pre-built website. Okay, so in one click you can actually import the complete content, because setting up website takes a lot of time. So when we import, let's say you like this one, the complete website, then what we can do here is we can slowly start editing it. So let's say your magazine name is Daily Magazine, for example, then you can change this name from Center Magazine to Daily Magazine, and similarly all these posts. So this way, if you customize your website, it would be very easy to set up your masterpiece. So now let's talk about how you can buy this. And that is also pretty easy. You simply need to go back here, and then you need to click on add to cart. And then when we do go to checkout, here what you will do is you will sign in, and then you will buy this theme. And this theme package will come to your email account, or you can even download it from Envato Market. After downloading it, you need to go back here in ncrt.com, and here if you see appearance and then themes. So since this theme we are buying from external market, here we need to click on add new theme, and then here we have got this upload theme option. So the zip file that you will download from ThemeForest, you need to paste it here, or you can click on choose file and then choose that zip file. Okay, and then you need to click on install now, And that's how guys we will able to install any theme in our WordPress website. So please do let me know if you find this challenging or if you have any kind of doubt or concern in your mind. I will definitely try to answer your question as soon as possible. And that's all guys from my side in this one. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.